mwokozi wangu, tena ni kiongozi wangu. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana. Baraka zake hazikuishi, si kama binadamu abadiliki. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana. Jana sina kuomba Mungu uwasamehe, wangalijua jinsi unavyonipenda mimi wasingenisema. Na maadui wangu ninawaombe maisha marefu, wazidi kupona ukinibariki. Ujue binadamu ni watu wa ajabu sana, walimkana Yesu mara 3 kabla jogoo kuwika. Ujue binadamu ni watu wa ajabu sana, walimsulubisha Masia bila kusita. Oh, na Bwana ni mwokozi wangu, hey, na tena ni kiongozi wangu. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana. Hey, baraka zake hazikuishi, si kama binadamu abadiliki. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, oh, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Nipende leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana.
Wewe ndio nategemea, kufa kupona Baba na kutegemea. Chochote kitanikatia, kuingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndio nategemea, kufa kupona Baba na kutegemea. Chochote kitanikatia, kuingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndio nategemea, kufa kupona Baba na kutegemea. Chochote kitanikatia, kuingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndio nategemea, kufa kupona Baba na kutegemea. Chochote kitanikatia, kuingia mbinguni utaniondolea.
Bwana ni mwokozi wangu,
Amen.
na tena ni kiongozi wangu.
Amen.
Ananipenda leo kuliko jana.
Wow. If that hasn't sent chills down your spine, I don't know what can. You guys are amazing. So I have Phila here. Maybe you could just talk to us about RedFourth. Who are these people, these kids who sing so well?
Well, RedFourth is a dream that we had for about 15 years ago when I was training at Upper Hill School, and we decided. Upper Hill School have been singing this style of music, R&B style of music, for a long time. And we felt we want to move that singing from just singing for the music festivals and bring it to the outside world where young musicians...
Actually, young music, in front so that everybody can see. Everybody's wondering who's that talking from the back.
Where young musicians who are not professionals can, learn on the job. Learn by learning how to perform, learn how to record. And so we decided, why don't we now introduce this kind of program to people who are outside school and very small children also.
And it's so interesting how it has grown, because you're right. It started with this, small group of students
from Upper Hill,
from Upper Hill, and everybody was like, "Oh my goodness, have you watched this video?" Everybody was sharing the videos and everything. And then now, I mean, it's the group. They've grown. The groups are more and more each day.
And we are very thankful that we release a song like this past week. We've just released the first single by the kids, and it has done very well.
Composed
well, this was a cover. This was a cover from Moana, but the song has done really well, and we have so many parents who are interested in bringing their kids who are below the age of 14 to be part of the RedFourth Kids. And so we're just happy that in 1 year we've been able to accomplish all this, and we can be able to give a platform to young people like this to just be able to express themselves, build their confidence, and also just be able to inspire their peers.
So what next after this? I mean, they sing so beautifully. They sing different places, but then what's the end game? Well,
according to RedFourth, our vision is that our purpose was to create a platform. From here, the young people now have to decide what they want. Do they want to do music as a profession, or do they just want to do it as a hobby? All that will work. So now, but we just wanted to make sure that we've made our contribution to bringing quality music to the industry.
All right, and are you looking to actually record songs professionally from the group?
Very true. Yeah, we are. Most people know us for doing covers. But now we are actually working on our original music, and one of the songs that we're going to perform tonight is actually an original song. And that's what we are expecting, that people will also receive these songs well. In fact, even next week now we are releasing, the kids are also going to release the second original song from RedFourth.
And what is the impact that you feel you've created among, these beautiful young girls and young men?
Well, man, they would be the best people to tell us.
And we'll get to hear from them later on. But from your perspective?
From my perspective, I feel that I've given them an opportunity, a chance to, express. Because with this kind of music, yes, the style of music that we do is sort of mellow. Once in a while, I have my co-director, who's called Andrew Tumbo, who does the more up-tempo and danceable music. But I feel that through this style of music that we've focused on, they are able to tell their stories, they are able to tell their experiences, and I think that is what I take home, knowing that they can express themselves through music. So they may not be able to speak about them, but through the music we can be able to feel the emotion and their desire to just express themselves even more.
All right, so of course we have to have a guest anchor from one of you. I don't know, do you want to...
Yeah, that boy there, He has a passion. He
wants to be one. I know him. He's interviewed me before. From Kenyatta University. He's interviewed me before. Okay, fine. So we'll give him the chance in a few minutes. But for now, though, you can take us on a break.
Are
you mic'd?
We have a junior editor, junior director here called Eddie. He's going to conduct the next song. Clearly, I have a problem dancing, so I'm going to step out of the set.
So the next one is,
he's just going to,
a dancing one. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's have that as we get... All right. Do you have a mic? All right.
Bye.
beautiful. All right, so we will be having our guest anchor any moment now. All right, another song. All right, so I understand we'll be having the next song in a short while. All right, and also the guest anchor will be reading the news once we come from this short break. So let's take that break. Friday Briefing continues in a few minutes. So the guest anchor is ready?